Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right there on the right down corner you'll see the more icon. Just tap there and go to the settings. Here you'll see the voice match section. Tap there and tap to the voice match. Here we'll get the Hey Google Assistant option, and now just to activate this option, tap here to get started. Here tap to next, you click yes I agree, we continue, and as can you see our Hey Google option is activated right now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.